Bird Reserve in Clydach, Swansea, South Wales. Fair-sized car park. Very good location for dogs. People with their dogs walking. A bit of the history. That apparently is very haunted. It's locally known as Whitechapel, which is there it is. Bramble to attack people. Obviously this so people don't steal cars and burn them out and dump them like it happens. Nice nature walk. Apparently, according to one of the locals, that this used to be mill house, steam house type of buildings, and used to be coal mines up here. I've been up here a few times, been right to the top, which is Cascades. There you go, look. A bit about the wildlife. All different types of birds and butterflies. And yes, as you can see, there is a bit of water here. Lovely place to visit. I recommend coming here. Nice place. A few stingies for nettle soup or nettle tea or whatever. There's a bit of water. And I don't mean just that. Well worth a visit. Nice. So it's a very hot day today. It's 23 degrees is fairly hot. But in all the shade of the trees, a bit of a canopy going on. It's nice and cool. A few trees that have come down. And more trees that have come down. I can get down to the water at some part of it, and it's not too bad for magnet fishing if you're into that. I will do a video of that one day, just on a suitable day, which isn't today. There we are, a bit of the water, nice little stream. Dogs can go down, have a paddle. Not deep enough for dogs to swim in though, but I'm sure they'll love that. My dog, when I had one, she used to go running into the water and just lay down, cooling herself off on a lovely hot day. There's not a lot of junk really here. There's that, whatever that is. Comment below if you if you know what it is. But it's a lovely, lovely nature walk. It's good for the kids to learn about the various different plants if we know what they are. Good for dog walkers and all sorts. That wouldn't be easy to get to. I don't think it would be a good idea anyway. There's a couple of people walking with a cute little dog. Little trees have come down, tire. I won't go to the top, it's too far. Right. Hello, hello cutie. That's it, you've done. Let's say hello to the dog. That's a bit of a deep voice and dog. Crazy for a woman. But I've been up here before with one friend magnet fishing, and there was quite a bit of stuff, some heavy stuff. Really heavy stuff. And then there was stuff that was too long to take in my car. because I had an SLK at the time, and this is a 2-seater convertible. There was no suitable to put it in it, and I didn't want it dirty. Full leather interior, not good. Anyway, I don't think I can pick up that with my magnet. There you go, they've gone. All to the trees, I see some sycamores. And what tree is that? I'm not sure. Ferns, more water, another sycamore. These, believe it or not, whether you know about sycamores or not, I mean, look how tall this one is and that one. They grow up between 75 and 100 foot. Fair play. Look at the tree. There's a bit of a dead one there. Looks pretty safe at the moment, but I mean, if it's a storm, that's not going to be safe. But anyway, it's a nice place. I recommend coming up here for a nice walk. With or without a dog, with or without the family. Not a lot to do for kids. Hello, Leaf. Just attacked me. But, you know, it's still worth it coming up. Anyway, when you go right up to the top, there's a bit of a cascade, and there's a big pool area which you could actually swim in, you know, because it is fairly deep. Now there's 2 ways to go. One towards the stream itself, which I'm not going to have my legs ripped open with the brambles on my arms, because I haven't got shorts and vest top on. But it's a lovely walk, nice and cool. Well worth a view, well worth a visit. I mean, obviously there are nicer places around Swansea, but then there's places that are not as nice. But it's worth it for walking a dog, coming up with your family, trying to get a little closer to the river I am. Well, stream, sorry. Because you can see a bit of it, but there is a place up further, and you can't get to it. There we are, look. Bird reserve. Butterfly thing, I'm not sure what that's about. Oh, look, here comes a tree looming, leaning over. Needs to be trimmed back. Backed? What am I saying? Needs to be trimmed back. Because if you're like 6 foot plus tall, you could have your eyes gouged out with this crazy tree. It's come down in a storm. Completely dead, that one as well. But I'm walking on and on and on. It's not really suitable. I don't want this video too long. There's nothing really suitable until much further up to get to the water. But nice place to come on a lovely sunny day. And, you know, as you can see in the shade, it's so lovely and cool. But as I said, you know, if you're into magnet fishing, it's worth coming up, as long as you're mindful where you are and what you're doing. It's definitely worth coming up. And no stealing my bits of metal I've left to one side. Joke. Yeah, some brambles. Some of these I'll have lovely blackberries on in time. I'm not sure when they come out. I think it might be September. I could be wrong. Comment below if you know when the brambles have their blackberries. Make sure they are black and nice and squidgy and come off easy, otherwise a bit bitter. I mean, this is well away from cars and no pollution from any, you know. No, I'm not going down there. And well away from pollution with the brambles. And the thing is, if you want to make nettle soup or nettle tea or whatever else you can do with nettles, but be careful, as you know, they can sting. Thinking of it, I can't see any dock leaves. And dock leaves are meant to grow near nettles. Is that one? I can't remember what they look like. Oh well, there's a jogger coming up. A little bit down there. There's a jog. I can see a little bit more of the water here. Fairly clean. There is a bit down up further, as I said, you know, where you can get down to the stream quite easily and safely. But obviously we haven't had a lot of rain, so it's not that deep. I think it'd be lovely for a paddle. And as long as you've got sensible, safe shoes on, so you don't slip on the rocks. Be careful, because they could be slimy and dangerously slippy. And not only that, they could be sharp, so make sure you've got sensible footwear on. Some like sandals, you can walk in water and they can dry easy. But anyway, this is Cliff Bird Reserve, which is in Swansea. And look at that, lovely blue sky. Could have been like yesterday when I had a garden party. No, it had to rain. That's sod's law. Saturday, nice and dry. Today, nice and dry. The day the garden party was, Sunday, had to be silly weather. You know, the British weather, could be bloody snowing tomorrow, who knows. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Please comment if you've been here before. Tell me what you think of the place. Or if you haven't been anywhere in South Wales or Swansea, let me know if there's anywhere around you. That's a nice nature walk, a little stream, and whatever else. Aha! An oak tree. If we can capture that properly. Continue, girls. Quite young. There's two together. Two acorns. Maybe it's the wrong time of year for acorns. I don't know. I don't know much about trees. Oh, look, a bit of metal. Lucky I haven't got my magnet with me. Ha ha. Yeah, I'm a silly one. Let's have a look now. Oh, look. It's got wood in it. Metal. And there. Yeah, right. Anyway, that's me for now, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe. I'd be very grateful if you did. I still haven't worked out what that is. It looks like a bit of a bridge. My friend who lives local would be able to tell me. I think he did tell me before, but I can't remember. Yeah, anyway, highly recommend coming up here. Lovely place to walk, yourself, your dog, maybe family, as long as the kid's not too young, because they probably would get bored. It's not a lot to do. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.